This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, the reverse repo has been fighting to get over $100 billion for the past 2 weeks, and it can't seem to do it. It is knocking on the door of $100 billion, but it can't seem to cross it. It's sitting at 99.6 billion. And you know what this tells me? This tells me that the bad actors, naked shorting AMC, naked shorting GME, naked shorting MULN, naked shorting SoFi, naked shorting Neo, they are in trouble. They're watching the liquidity dry up, and they're probably going to go knocking on Congress' door or President Trump's door, asking them to replenish the reverse repo with another $500 billion in order to increase their liquidity. The bottom line is this: they are in trouble. They are in trouble because the money is drying up. These naked shorters who naked short AMC, GME, and other stocks, they need to have money to pay the interest rates on those naked short positions. Even though they are counterfeit naked short positions, and the people who sold them to them, they just pocketed that cash. But the ones who actually sold the short positions into the market, they are paying daily interest on these short positions, and the situation is getting worse because the banks are running out of money. And if the banks don't have money to keep their lights on, to keep their brick and mortar locations open, they are not going to have money to support these AMC and GME naked shorters. And the fact that they've been fighting to get it over $100 billion for the last 2 weeks tell me that the situation is getting very dire, very, very dire for the naked shorters. At this point, their only hope is for some type of reprieve from the federal government. And is that incoming? There is a possibility, because based on what they did yesterday with the transparency rules, I believe anything is possible. I believe there is a possibility that the government might come in and bail them out again. But how many times is the government going to bail out these bad actors who are making bad decisions, violating the laws in order to rob and steal from the hard-working Americans? I mean, it's absolutely crazy to me. I've never seen this level of fraud anywhere in my life. Had somebody told me 4 years ago that the United States stock market was this corrupt, I would have told them they were crazy. This is the United States of America. We have the SEC, we have the DOJ, we have the FBI. They protect retail investors. They protect the market. And I would have been wrong, because the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI does not protect retail investors. It does not protect the market. It protects the 1%ers. But the reverse repo and that liquidity, everybody has to answer to that. Everybody. And I see the liquidity gone. I see margin calls incoming. I see forced liquidations. And I see AMC, GME, and other stocks that they're naked shorting start rising up to their true value. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Why do you think the bad actors are having trouble getting that reverse repo up above $100 billion? Anyway, have a great day. God bless. I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.